This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning. Starting off with a small gain in my apex from last night's trading. There really is no volatility, and again, see there's really not much volatility. 6 points, going to make it hard. What do you think? It's going to be easy to make money in this low volatility environment? I don't think so, no. Gold is in a trade already on the with the bot. Gonna take a look at the 15-minute chart, see where we stand. Take a look at price action. Let's get up to 50-minute. First, let's look at the daily. Let's just remind ourselves what's happening in the market here and not fool ourselves. Okay, we are on a very strong trend. We're above the 50 moving average. We're above the 100 moving average. We're above the 200 moving average. That's a strong market. Don't be fooled by anyone telling you it's time to sell. It's not time to sell when we're chugging forward with this kind of strength. I mean, yeah, you can be a counter trend trader, but on the daily, I don't know. Can you outlast the market, or can the market outlast you? There is an expression in the markets that the market, hey, good morning, James. The market will go just far enough to wipe you out. So the market can definitely outlast you. James, do you agree? I'm making a case for not being a counter trend trader with the daily chart here. That's a strong move. Let me open it up for you guys. That's what you're battling against since April. April, May, 3 months. 3 months of hardship. If you're looking for a top. 15-minute. What did we do? We took out the Asia session highs. We took out the Asia session lows. We're trading above 21,700, which was fish in Florida, which was a key level. Fish in Florida, if you just showed in, I just want to bring it up. This is the daily chart. Burn it in your brain. We are in an uptrend, a strong uptrend on the daily. A lot of people want to tell you, we're going down to 16,000, 17,000, 18,000, 20,000. We're in a strong uptrend. We're above the 50 to 100 and the 200. Hey, Omnius. Good morning. 15. Another thing. Let's burn in our brains here. Oh, don't need this over here. Any news this AM? I don't know. I didn't check yet. I'm not a news guy. I'm irresponsible when it comes to that. We took out the Asia session highs, and we took out the Asia session lows. I am putting in a line because there is an 80% probability we will retake the Asia session highs. There we go. It just happened. As I said it. Okay, mark my words there. OFT, good morning. I just made a call 4 seconds before it happened. And there you go. Like I said, 80% probability, and that's it. That play is done. So move on to the next. Let's get the markets opened. Sim 102 is going to be trading the looks bullish until it ain't. Yep. Exactly, which means you can only be right once if you go against the trend, but you can continuously be right if you're with the trend. You're right on every pullback. You're with the trend. You're right. 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 No matter what your setup is, you can have the grandma inverted running shoe setup. You're going with the trend. You can only be wrong once. That's on the turn. That's a good little sentence there, full of wisdom. That it's bullish until it ain't. But that ain't is only one time, and the bullish is multiple times. It's once, it's twice, it's 3 times, 4 times, could be 5 times. You could get 8 setups, 10 setups, all winning for you. You can only be wrong once. $500 would be my wet dream. Wow, nice move down. That's below everything, eh? Let's get back on the 500. Oh, we're going to need the 15 minutes for that one. Holy Christ. We're going to have to go back. Yeah, well, why don't we then get down to, honestly, seriously, not being sarcastic, 400, 21,400, where this big move started yesterday. Get all the way back there, sweep that, and then take off. You would buy that at 500? No, never. Never, because it's a counter trend trade, and as it's in that area at the 500 or the 400, trading down there, we're in a downtrend, and I would be shorting. I can't do both. You can't do counter trend and trend trading at the same time. And no system is 100%. Every system has its Achilles heel. Every system, trend trading, you're going to lose when it turns. And counter trend trading, you're going to lose when it on continuation. So, we both have to battle it, and we both have to try and both types of traders have to try and frame their trades and set their stop losses, and try to create trades with a good risk profile. $860 is resistant, or it's trend reversal trade. Oh, you give me all these levels, you give me headaches. What's at 860? I get you. I see it right there. Yeah. OFT calls good levels, guys. Actually, Fishing Slot Florida. You should check him out. Go watch his stream today. Actually, he's. I like having you here. Come back tomorrow, or come back in a half an hour. But you should go watch OFT and the way he trades. I should spend more time watching OFT and the way he trades. Honestly, he's a good trader. I like the way he trades. I like the way he makes his calls. No, I'm certain he's not 100%. I don't know what his hit rate is, what his accuracy rate is, but he's a good trader. His strategy is effective. I'm paying him to say that. No, he's not. I only say the truth. I only say the truth. Good luck, OFT. I'll see you in your stream. I'll be joining in later. Let me get to the 1 minute. Let me open up my Bulenox accounts. They're opened. Let me do a sound check. First, I got to check my mic. Windows likes to play with the settings. They're so kind like that. Device properties, 88, perfectly. Didn't play perfect. Didn't play with my settings. Mic setting looks good. On the OBS, the broadcasting software, there are so many things to check. That sounds good. I'm in the mood for a little music. A little quiet. Let's stay calm music. Y'all are funny and friendly, just like family. Yeah, Mario, that's how I like it to be. I swear to God, I'm not just saying that. Funny is key. I like to make jokes. Most of the time, I'm not serious when I say things. So if you hear something and you take it offensively, don't. It's only me making a joke. Volume, wow, 275,000 contracts. That's crap. Just so you know. Volume is low. Volatility is low. Okay, day's over. I'm closing the stream. Yeah, you know what? I swear to God, I'm saying it again. I'm going to lose a customer. I'm going to lose a customer, a viewer. Hold on, my eyes are tearing. I yawned. But the truth is the truth, and I'm going to say the truth. That's what matters. OFT, again, really. He trades the levels you trade, I think, in the same manner that you trade. I can't confirm that. That was a negative. I cannot confirm that, but it sounds like it from what I know about him and what I know about him from the way you're saying there with your double tops and your levels and your resistance. He's really good at identifying levels. I hope I don't lose you as a viewer, but yeah, you should definitely check out OFT. Maybe you can have us on 2 screens. Have him on one, have me on one, and then you can tell me what he's doing. So we can all copy him. No, don't copy anybody's trades. Everybody's trading for entertainment purposes only. We are all not financial advisors. Markets are opening in 2 minutes. I'm taking my time. I'm not taking a trade till 9:40 today. Kiddies, children, not in a rush today. Yesterday I rushed out of the gate and I paid the price. Okay, so the trick is we have to be able to follow instructions like a 10-year-old can follow instructions. I need a browser that's not, anybody know, wow, so little fucker gold, first trade lost money, huh? And I'm looking at the charts here. This one would have made money, this one would have made money, and this one lost. But I didn't open up the charts in time, so we just got the loser. What else is new? Yeah. You know what? Yeah, since I'm not taking any trades at 9:40, let's go into OFT's room. This is my process for the process. You saw some of that, but let me minimize the browser. I'm gonna go into OFT's room. Let's go watch him for the first 10 minutes. Here, I'll get it for you. He's live already. Go say hi. I'm gonna say hi. He doesn't read the chat much, though. That's one thing I noticed. You chat to him, and he doesn't always answer. He's focused on trading. He's laser focused. Go in his chat and say good morning. I want to see if he answers you. He never answers me, the pecker. Go say good morning to him. You know what? Hey, if you're still here, let's make a joke. There's a guy that comes into his room called Emperor or something like that. He's never seen you. Go in the room and say good morning, Emperor. He's gonna shake his head. He's gonna wonder how the hell does Fishing Slot Florida no Emperor? How is he saying good morning to me? He's never seen me before. Go do that. Go do that. Man, you should be on both. I should give you a whole bunch of things to say. It would be hilarious. Okay, I'm not trading till 9:40. Calm down, Mike. Let's set my account. You're not going, slot guy. Come on, Mario. Join in on me with the joke. Maybe you went for orange juice till 9:40. Went for a tall glass of orange juice. Coming back at 9:40, I'll have to remind you again. He's got a funny accent too because he's from Finland. So when he says VWAP, he uses W's. The VWAP. Ask him what's a VWAP. I never heard of VWAP. And here we go. Is it like the VWAP? Oh God, we can have. There we go. Say good morning, Emperor. Go. Good morning, Emperor. Hey! See, he answered you, he didn't answer me. Okay, we had our fun. Let's focus here a lot. A move up, a move down. Fish in Florida, you usually catch those, Mario. You see, he doesn't comment on what I wrote. Yeah, I'm gonna watch him for a bit. I like the way. Oh, that's it. Did you leave his channel? I just saw his viewers go down to one. I want to see what he does. I'm gonna put him on full screen. Let's see what he does. Actually, it looks like he's on a little bit of a delay. Yep, I'm gonna have to tell him how to fix his broadcast. I'm gonna have to tell him how to fix his broadcast. Super bullish open, he says. He's so serious. Someone needs to tickle him and say, come on, give me a smile. I don't know if that's just his YouTube persona or what. Okay, I'm having too much fun watching other people. Yes, I gotta go change Pampers real quick. Life of trading dad. Okay, go change those Pampers. I hope it's just I hope it's a number one. Is it 9:40 yet? Can I start trading? No, I can't.
Come and trade on the floor. Learn to trade and so much more.
Let's see if we got any trades that triggered in. Just out of curiosity. Vertical line, where's 930? Ah, just one trade. It went to target. But it went to target. So, what do we got? Nope. But when you're old and a 4-year-old and then a 9-year-old, definitely would have taken that. But oh my gosh, I have to wait. But if it goes over their eyes. A good way to let the itch pass and let 940 come is to occupy my time with something else. Like talking to you, believe it or not. Okay. Wow. Still going. He's saying, let it extend, let it extend. He should have sung it. That would have been a good song. Hey, my cursor's stuck. Should I just repeat what he says? Would that be fun? Are we going to run to that wick? We don't take to those lalas away. I didn't understand what he said. I hope he's not listening. He's gonna say, fuck off. My glasses are dirty. Come on. Don't die here. Go to the 800s. He wants it to go to the 800s. We went to 790. It's close enough. Unlock yesterday's highs. We did take out yesterday's highs. That's 759. This could be the pullback to look for longs. Didn't pull back enough for me. Gold is asleep. What about you, MNQ? Let's go to, this one probably be a little more active. Let's watch MNQ. Sim 101. Sim 101 didn't take a trade yet. Wow. Should have taken a trade here. Oh no, it starts at 936. Sorry. On the first pullback, it'll take a trade. Let's just confirm it. We'll watch it. Let's watch it. Let's watch it. You know what? Let's watch it, but I gotta go clean my glasses. I rubbed my glasses with my finger, so give me a second. Let's put on fake mic. Why is fake mic not working? Oh. Okay, there's fake mic. Hmm. Whoa, my computers are firing up. Okay, let's go from a green shirt to a black shirt now. A wick? They all have wicks. What do you mean if it goes over the higher high with a wick? First, we don't know until the candle closes. What time frame are you watching? All my cells now. There is some topping action happening at the moment, he said. Let's go check out Joker. I'm taking my time today. Yesterday was a bad day for me. It was discouraging. Joker's not live again today. Shit. Oh my god. He's taking a small starter here. I don't know what. Plus I'm on a delay. Hey, look. Algo went long. Let's see what happens for the first trade on Sim 101. Does it pick up a winner? He has to cut it. He has the wrong setup in his system. Don't die yet. I guess he went short. Feel like I'm spying on him. Where else can we go? Omnius. What's Omnius doing? His entry was nice, but he had to cut it. I don't know why. Something went wrong. Now he wants it to push. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. News at 9:45 till 10:30, and they're gonna talk about 9:45 till 10, and they're gonna talk about it at 10:30. Ouch. I have an entry, but I don't know. I'm not even set up yet. I don't even know what account I'm gonna trade. So let's go here. Let's go to a 4 lot. Let's try and see if we can get a better price. Looks like we can. Okay, I got filled at 68.25. Oh, not much better. Only 2 points better. 70 was the official fill. Well, I'll just take out a 2 lot. It's a small little trade. That was good. Let's get out a 2 lot, reduce the risk. And now let's let it run. 77 is the first TP. That's the 70% trade. Let me get 77 on the offer. There we did. 1 order filled. Yep, I got one of my orders filled. Thanks for noticing. I know you're talking about yours. Oh, wow, look at that. He disappeared. He disappeared like a magician. Okay, 77 plus 7 is how much, guys? What's 77 plus 7? Because we have a 50% chance of going there. Let's come on, do the math. 84. We have a 50% chance of going to 84 from here. And the other 50% chance is going to 63 from here. So it's 50-50. 63, 84. Place your bets. Yes, I know that statistically. So get in long, close to 63, or get in short, close to 84. And let's plot the dots. We're plotting the dots. We're plotting the dotting. Where's Omnius? We're plotting the dots. Joker 2's not. Let me go check on Joker again. Nobody's streaming again. What's going on? Joker. Joker is not live. Okay. I'm always on. No kidding. You're on the 15. Wow. So here's my 15. How do you take a trade on this? You said if it goes over the highs with a wick. So you're just sitting here waiting. Okay, that's cool. Hey, good morning, What Chip? We're having some fun. What Chip? I was waiting for you. Here's one of my... oh, wait till I get out. Stick around. Wait till I get out at 84. 77 plus 7 is 84, right? Yep, at 84. When we get to 84. I'm waiting for my last piece to get out. Do we get to 84? Almost. We're getting there. 80. Let me put in the sell limit. Oh, we got it better than that.
Pow! Right in the kisser!
Is that better? Does that meet wood chip? Does it pass wood chip standards? Better than my boat horn from yesterday? Every time I take profit, how's that? Every time it hits my level. My 70 or my 50% level. I don't track the 30% levels, but to be honest with you, do you know what? Right now, once it hit 84, shit, I never even thought about that. Once it hits 84, there's about a 30, I think it's 36. Oh, come on. Wah, wah, wah. I was sure I got a thumbs up from Woodchip on that. I wasted my time. I still have one more that you might like, but we got to save that for the right moment. Hopefully you'll be around. Yeah, when we hit 84, we only have about a 30 some odd % chance we were going to go to 91. Do you know that means, believe it or not, that's only 7 points away. That means there was a 70% chance we were going back down to 69. That was a 15-point move. That was a 2-to-1 trade, actually. I got to watch those. I threw that away for nothing. That was the short. Can I remove that comment? I don't like it. That comment's depressing. I don't want to look at it. Makes me feel like I wasted my time. I'm like a child, you know, when they come home, when they show you the ashtray they make and it looks like a pile of shit, but you say, wow, that's nice. You did a good job. I love it. I'm going to put it where everyone can see it. I need that kind of encouragement. Okay, so where are we looking for another trade? NQ is out sitting on the bench for the moment, and so is gold, so there's not going to be anything. NQ made a winner on the charts. It's heavy. Yeah, well, we're getting below the previous day's close. And we're closing below a a swing low. So what does that mean? That means that there is weakness in the markets and we're likely to be trading lower. And where is the target? VWAP. Beautiful little VWAP target, but I don't have an entry and I can't take it. Oh, shit. Nice short. He caught a short OFT. I caught a long. He caught a short. I caught a long. That's good. 703. That's a decent target. Let's see if I get a short, but hold on, I can't even take a trade, right? I took my one trade. Ping! I just got a message. Okay. Let's see, we didn't get a better price. 40, 42. I'm in at a worse price. I want to lower my size. Yes, third day completed. So happy. Way to go. Way to go. Let's see if I don't think that works. Hold on. There's for fish in Florida. Oh, still not working. That's for a third day in a row. Now I got to focus on my short again, which could lose me money. Omnius is coming in. Say good morning, Omnius, before he comes in. He's going to want to know how you knew he was coming into the room. Come on, don't lose me money. I want to take this first trade. Yeah, I'm doing okay. I'm having a good time today. I'm taking it easy. I'm not trying to make money. Big news in 5 minutes. Wow. Thanks, Woodchip. I swear to God, I would have forgotten. I swear I would have forgotten. 42. Everybody's been talking about it. 49 I'll add. There we go. 50. If I can add it, 50. Hopefully there. Come on, fill me in. Hopefully it'll come off a little bit and I can raise my average price. If not, I'll stop out at 56. There we go. There we go. So now I'm short at 50 with my risk at 56. So only 6 points. And my target is 42. It's 35. So I'm short at 50 to 35. I'm going for 15 points. And I'm risking 6 points. This is the perfect trade. 35, 6. Oh, come on. Let me put in the buy stop. The buy limit, 35. And I'm ready to close if I see 56. Whichever comes first. Whichever comes first. I'm going to use the close button to execute. You know what? I'm going to get rid of one. Because news is coming. The spreads are going to widen. Oh, it's coming. Come on, take me out. Take me out. Take me out. I'm ready. I'm ready. Lower your volume. Three minutes to news. 3 minutes to news. Let's. Is it big news? What chip? It's red folder. It's not medium folder news. Come on, 35 and a quarter. Get down there. 10 points away now. I was like only 4 points away. You're back to where I got in. What's gold doing? $56. I gotta close it. That's too bad. We were so close. You know what? I'm out. Too close to the news. That's it. Ooh, music is loud. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, we're waiting. Joker's still not streaming. Okay. No Joker stream. Looks like we're getting stopped out here, but I got out almost at even. I'm at 94. That's okay. I'm good with that. It's not a boatload of money, but news is coming.
Cancel all orders! Cancel all orders!
You guys missed all my commentary. Yeah, I was just saying you missed all my commentary. I felt like a horse race announcer. And you missed everything. So I'm 3 for 3, I think. So I'm going to give myself an oh yeah. Hey, that was in a song, and then it went bow, bow. Give me a sec. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, going good today. Taking my time. Started at 9:40. Not feeling rushed. Catch the trades. If you don't catch the trades, no big deal. There'll always be another one. No urgency. Shut down that emotional brain. Let's take a look at gold. No trades. No trades on gold. Yeah. I have some what I think are fun effects, but they're not wood chip approved. They're not wood chip approved. I removed one of his messages. He left. But it was not nice. It was bringing me down. Okay, gold should soon. There we go. Gold now can catch some trades. So let's put it on Sim 102. And we're still far from NQ, so we'll watch gold. And in the meantime, I'll look for another setup for myself. My next setup will be short. Higher time frames, lower time frames for me have gone short. So what did price action do? We got to close below the swing. What does that tell us? That tells us price is going to head lower. And as Joker would say, the algo took it lower. If that's where price wants to go, the algo will take it. Something like that. Don't quote me. He's better at the algo stuff. But we did break, like I said, all joking aside, we broke the swing low over here, closed below it. Now we got 2 consecutive closes and a full candle below the VWAP. And now let's get that below the previous day's close. We also got a close below the 15-minute, between the 15-minute opening range, and there are a lot of bearish things going on here. Everything is screaming bearish. I gotta lower my monitor. Hey, Alex, got a winner, but it was a trade I should not have taken. That's not good. Hold on.
Every goddamn time. I'm not saying, but
You shouldn't take those. I played the news, 1 micro. Caught. Yeah, no, I know. Wood chip, you missed my second effect, and it was for you. That one. I'm not playing it again. I only play it now on news. I told you to hang around. I said I had one for you. Absolutely, yes. Omnia says the bots take the emotion out of trading. They really do. I just shorted into the 943 fair value gap. Off what time frame, Al? The FBG. The 3 minis. Holy shit. The 1 minute. There's a fair value gap, 943. Ah, I see it. Woo, yeah. Yeah. I'm working hard on my discipline. I got this new sheet. Next time I see you, I'll show it to you. The green screen isn't really showing it. I'll show it to you. Let my gold short come back on me. Gold. I'm watching gold. I'm watching gold. I'm going to be going long on gold. It inversed the first press FEG and made a B FEG. I took a stab on 2 accounts. Well, good job. If you controlled your risk. Wow, way to go. Asia lows right now. Again, the Asia lows, eh? Let me take a look at that on the 50-minute. Not only Asia lows, you just took out the London lows. And we didn't do that on MES yet. We maybe just ticked it, but MES is showing strength. NQ showing weakness. Sim 101, 466, but like I said, I don't think that's accurate, to be honest with you. The reason why I said that is because we have all these weird bars here because of the news. I was supposed to turn it off. So I think I actually have to put switches into the bots, making sure that they close down for 1 minute between 9:44 and 9:46 and 9:59 and 10:01. Just curious, Al, how do you define the PM low? Is it from 12 to 4, 1 to 4, 2 to 4, 1 to 3? Yeah. I'm waiting for potential long that low tag the 4-hour FPG 1 to 4. That low tag the 4-hour fair value gap. I don't have a 4-hour chart. I can put it up. Let's see if we can get a better price. I think we can get a price 12 and a quarter. Entries 14. Oh, a yellow order. That's interesting. That's interesting. At 07, I'll add. I already took out a small piece. I'm not really sure what price, but 07, I'll add. This has a 70% probability to go to 21. Now the algo looks like on gold. That's a proper trade, finally. Let's check NQ. NQ is not going to take anything. We'll watch gold. Oh, you know what? It's gone lower. You know what? Maybe I'll just let it. Maybe I'll just let it play out. I'll read that in a minute, Al. I don't want to take a loss. I'm happy. I'll try to get out of a one lot, lower my size, lower my risk a little bit. Let's get the gold bot going. This is the bot for gold trading right now. It's long. Let's get up to 21. Don't forget, 21 is a 70% probability, and we're at 19. See, I shouldn't have gotten out. 15, 13, 14. Shit, I wanted to cover a piece at 18. Just a little front running there. 9, 6, 7. Everybody wants to know where my stop is. My stop is at 700 exactly. 704. Oh, I should add. Gold took profit. Booyah. Booyah, booyah. 8, 10. Come on, let's go back up to 18. What am I long at? I'm along at 12. It's hanging below my entry for too long. I want to get out. I'm looking to get out of a small piece again. 8, 9, that's good enough. 9, get me out. If you're looking at me, no, I'm trading the 1 minute chart. Omnius. Hey, I'm hearing an airplane taking off. There goes Emperor. Okay. Now it's going to be 21 or 700 for the last piece. I can even... Oh, you're right. Yeah, no, I'm just, I'm not trading. You're right. Remember, all my entries are off Renko's, so I can click on any chart. I can click on the daily even. Sorry, another error, just like my Boolean switches in my code. I'm getting out. I think I lost a little money on that. So, Alex, there's this drop on the 4-hour, Alex. SMT with ES, yeah, I saw that. I did fix that code. Yeah, no, but remember when I had that problem, I was telling you about it? I made a mistake the way I explained it to you. So I made a mistake again with you. You were telling me 15 minutes. And I said, no, not 15 minutes, because my brain tells me that my brain knows the truth, knows that I traded off another chart. Or knows the correct, not the truth, but knows the correct thing. So I misled you by accident again. SMT with ES. Yeah, no, normally I keep the 1 minute chart up. I was just looking at something. Because Mario was talking about 15-minute setups, and Alex was talking about the afternoon low from yesterday. So I wanted to see those things. I needed the 15-minute chart to see those things. Ooh. Okay, so I'm looking for another long setup. I probably had my mic on mute. Let me go look. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, no, I had my mic on mute. Again. On mute. Shit, Lamar. Yeah. I had to fart. I didn't want you guys to experience it. It's okay, we can read lips. Not those lips. You can't read those lips. So, fish in Florida, you see what I mean? I didn't have to fart. I was joking. Okay, looking for my next long. Today's a fun day. Yeah. But even if I did, that's not a bad thing, right? We're all guys here. We all got to fart. Who didn't fart today yet? Okay. Yeah, there. Let's start a poll. Yeah. Yeah, goddamn Tradeify connections, perfect short opportunities today. Yeah, you seem to be on spot. I was listening to everything you were saying. I was just wondering, was it right on the news that you tried to enter? And was it the trade copier that caused you problems, or was it the fact, was it the connection actually? I didn't catch that because I saw you had a lot of accounts green. OFT. So I was thinking maybe it was your trade copier that caused you some troubles. And Omnius, how many times does the average person fart in a day? Well, I think you said 20. That's it. Alex, if you're still there, the average person farts 14 to 23 times a day. Oh my God. Yeah. Well, I guess you're a big farter. You see, everyone who thinks it's higher than that is a big farter. No afternoons bound. Server goes down always when I'm shorting. Longs in panic. Yeah. I wonder if that's timed with OFT. I'm talking to OFT right now. I'm wondering if that's timed with the when it goes down on TopStep X here. I actually get a message. It says market is closed, and then it goes market is open, and it closes down for a bit. I farted already 10 times in 2 hours. Honestly, always when there's the best short opportunities. No kidding. That's crazy, crazy discouraging. I've said it so many times. Trading is hard enough. We shouldn't have to be fighting with our platforms and our connections. It's unfair. That's too bad. This would have been a long here. But anyways, gold's going for another winner. Looks like it's reaching. Apex server went down just once. Tradeify, no kidding. And both of them is a ninja with Tradeivate style connection. Yeah, Apex went down, I think. Well, for me, I noticed Apex went down on the news. You can see it here on the 1 minute chart. You see this gap? That's when it closes. But that's a market thing now, just so you guys know, eh? That's not an Apex or a Tradeivate or a Rhythmic. There was an announcement. Every time now there's a quick burst or a flurry of activity, the market shuts down. I think it's for 5, 10, or 15 seconds. So don't always blame it on the server now. You have to be aware when it's happening to everyone, because the CME did it, or if it's actually the server. Because I see it when I see TopStep and Bulenox, which is rhythmic, and Apex, which is Tradeovate, when I see them all stop at the same time, I know it's a market thing. It's not a platform thing. OFT, but I won't get washed without long stop triggers. I waited the news and was on the bounce. Yeah. Well, I know it's not a consolation, but you were green. But I know you missed huge opportunity, and the opportunity panned out. And that's did I fart today? Oh yeah, we all did. All the men did. All the women didn't. All the men did. What was I saying? Holy shit. I don't pee at all in the day, but at nighttime, I'm a monster. I can't go more than 2 hours. I don't know. My body's weird like that. Yeah, all green. Okay. Small win. Small win, but yeah, you got to, you know, it's frustrating. I don't know. You got to fix it, but it's not yours to fix. It's them to fix it. Yeah. It's depressing. It's depressing. Yeah, good job. Trying to develop a new plan of action on gold. That's interesting. I'd like to talk about that. I'd like to know what direction you're heading in. Omnius, I gotta ask you what do we call it? An old man who's forgetful question. I'm sure I've asked you this before, probably 2 or 3 times. So bear with me. What's your name? I'm Mike. I think I told you, and I'm sure you've told me your name, but I've forgotten it. If you don't mind saying it, if you don't want to say it, no problem. Just say, no, let's. Josh, no, I don't think you ever told me. That doesn't sound familiar, so I don't think I ever asked you. Yeah, it's no big deal about saying your first name. Maybe the last name I can understand, but that's it, exactly. I don't know why people worry about saying their first name. It's like, huh? I agree 100%. That's why I said I don't get when people don't want to say their first name. If it starts to struggle, scale in the shorts. Really? It's bullish. Scale in the shorts. No hurry. You will have time to add on the way to 500, 1 micro. Holding above 860, do not short. It's bullish. I get you above 860. Yeah, that's high though. For me, OFT, it's bullish above the previous day's high at 759. That's the supreme bullish indicator for me. If you can get over the previous day's high, 2-3 candles, 2-3 consecutive candles on the 1 minute, I'm thinking bullish. That's it. I can't be thinking anything else. And same for the previous day's low. If you get below the previous day's low, I have to be thinking short. Long. Yeah, Woodchip, I'm watching closely to see on that 1 minute if we can get a close above those 2 swings. So far we didn't, but let's see. We got 3 seconds. We're going to get the close. What does that mean? Ladies and gents, a close above a swing high. That's bullish momentum. No, it doesn't always continue, but if you're a reactionary trader and not a predictive trader, well, we are reacting by joining the bullish momentum. Now, find your spot. There's an FVG here. And you know what I like to do? Let me show you what I like to do. I love to do this. Let me get this up here. I love to draw a fib. Oh, it's dirty. It's messy. It's hard to see. Let me extend it out. I like to draw a fib and get in at the 50, which is the top line. Let me clean this up. I don't know. Someone convinced me to put in the 612. I'm a 50% guy. I can estimate 612 with my eyes. I don't need it on. Yeah, it's way too many lines. What do I need? Hold on. I don't need the 38. Remove. I don't need the 25. And okay, there we go. And template, save as default. Yes. Okay, there we go. So if we come down to the 50. Sorry, the open range high. I don't know. I don't make predictions really. Just bullish. Squeeze out what you can get. Gold took another winner. It looks like Sim 102. I don't make predictions. I don't know how to predict these things. Who knows? No one's got a crystal ball. 700 and we hold and we go. Yeah. No. Up higher than 50%. But where it goes to? Exactly. I don't know. That's exactly it. This is a game of twos. Up or down, red or green, buy or sell, lose or win. That's it. That's from Oliver Velez. This is a game of twos. If you can count to two, you can trade. The best loser wins too. Why isn't my chat timestamped? My chat is timestamped. You did it at 10:29. I have a crystal ball. Wood chip 29. OFT 10:30. I don't know why you're not seeing timestamps. Timestamps. Wood chip. That's a personal setting on your own computer, not mine. Joker showed that to me. It's a personal setting. You got to find it on your computer. You toggle timestamps on and off, not me. Okay, so gold. We're going to watch for another trade in gold when we get a down candle. Let me click that. And NQ, nothing yet. Still waiting for a trade in NQ. It's a good day. Oh, wow. I bought the upgrade to that extension. Yeah, if you buy the upgrade, you can click on their name and go into their bank account. What do we do? We are taking out the London highs almost on ES. We're not even close to doing that on NQ. So once again, NQ is relatively weaker than ES. ES is also above yesterday's high. But we got like a quintuple high there at NQ. Not an NQ, an ES. There's like 5 relative highs there. Might not get this. It's going to range. See you tomorrow. Take care, OFT. Would buy 660-700, but it might be that it won't come down anymore. Yeah, possible. We're strong today. We're strong, but relatively weak to ES. But ES is strong, and it may just pull us higher, and everything is strong. Yeah, on ES, that's crazy. Yeah. I got to get my 5-minute chart showing. Let me see what it looks like. It's going to look like shit, guys. Hold on to your hats. I haven't played with this setting in a long time. I just want to see what shows up. Oh, not so bad. Okay. Not so bad. I just got to fix it a little bit. Oh, you know what? I think all I got to do is... I think I just got to... Hold on. Let me try again. 3 charts. I think I just got to turn this off. I don't even have to adjust my settings. I think these are the things that are in the way. OFT, no NVIDIA at RG line. No NVIDIA at the red-green line. Does that show up good? No, it's a little bit screwed up. But not a lot of it screwed up. Tesla red. Tesla's red now. Yeah, how much influence does that play on the markets? I guess that's why NQ is relatively weaker, right? NVIDIA and Tesla. Going to be a choppy ride, in my opinion. Well, I take quick scalps. 7 points, 10 points, so... Let me find the screen. There it is. So, okay, it should be an easy fix, this screen. Christopher Columbus. Oh, Bart's brother. Bring this down. Yeah, we're lagging. Actually, I wanted to mention to you. Oh, there's so many. I wanted to actually, hold on, let me see. Something's missing in the bottom corner. Oh, my camera. That's supposed to be my camera. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Anyways, it's I don't know where you saw that, but I mean probably on the top screen there. Yeah, I have that somewhere. Going to be reading here. So how many people voted with the farting? 6 votes, 100%. Yes, I didn't even vote. Added average now 734. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, wood chip. It's not at the appropriate time, but you want me to preview. Let me go back to my screen. You want me to preview what I did for you specifically? Not the POW, but the other one. You want to see it? Are you there? Say yes, and I'll show it to you. When am I going to play it? When the markets are moving fast, when we're in a fast market. So first I need to know you're there, because I'm not previewing it if you're not there. So say I'm here and I'm watching. This is what I'll play in a fast market when news gets released, like FOMC or something. It's reserved for that. No, what chip's gone again? He's like Muhammad Ali, floats like a butterfly, stings like a bee. Okay, we don't preview it. I'm waiting for another trade, and I'm watching the algos. Okay, they can both finally start trading. And Q can take a trade. So we have to remember it's at 466, and that's kind of incorrect. Because you definitely shouldn't be trading the volatility of the news. Okay, I didn't trade Bulenox, and I didn't trade. That's okay. Today was a get back on track kind of a day. And I did. I'm happy. I executed the plan 100%. So basically, guys, I'm waiting for a pullback or one of these strategies to take effect. If I do that, I don't have to think what to say. Closed above the gap, down on news. Woodchip, are you even listening to me, Woodchip? I was talking to you. You didn't answer. I said I'll preview the clip. Very strong. No, he's not listening. He's just commenting. Maybe his earbuds aren't in, or who knows. It's not catching the audio. What? Oh, now he hears me. I said, do you want me to preview the little video audio clip I made specifically for you? It's to be played only when we're in a fast market, when the news comes out, like FOMC. But I did it for you. You want to see it? Are you watching and listening? I'm not going to preview it if you're not there. So say yes. Let's see it. Well, yeah. It's for a fast market. It's a little thing. Are you there, what chip? You want to see it? Say yeah. Show me. It's tough. There's an 8-second delay, or 9-second. All right. You know what? It's true. He may not even. No. It's true. I fixed that thing. So yeah. Yes, I'm watching and listening, but I'm along concentrating. Okay, tell me when you're not in a trade and you're not concentrating. Perfect. Of course, I understand completely. We have to focus on trading. See, that's why OFT is he's laser focused. He doesn't listen to what I'm typing, saying. He's focused on trading. That's because you guys are using your heads, and I've coded everything, and I just gotta wait for signals. As long as I'm following my plan. A lot of times I'm not following my plan, and then I'm thinking, and then I end up the day with a headache. But that's why actually I like coding everything. So what did we get? We got it. They do actually. 709 stop. We got a close below the swing low, and now we have a little bearish fair value gap. Oh, you know what I forgot? I've forgotten to add these to my charts. Oh, look at that bullish signal I missed right there. See, that's another one of my coded things. That was a nice one. Well, I'm not taking a look for a long here or for a lot if I can get it at a better price. 35 by bid. Shit, I was too slow. I could have gotten 32. Now I got in with a 4 lot at 34. One better. 1 point better. 42. 42 is the 70% probability trade, but looks like this one's gonna get us for $100. Stopped out. Ooh, even more than $100. Oh, maybe $100. I don't remember. Yeah. Ah, that one got me. That's okay. Oh, Woodchip was long. I thought he was short. I said, well, at least Woodchip made money in my brain. No, Woodchip was short too. It was long also. Ah, you gotta be fucking kidding me. So fucking stupid. As long as at 28. Got VWAP. 28. The ad's at 21. Give me a yellow order, eh? Okay, I don't have a lot of risk on this, so that's good now. Stop to the penny. Yeah, looks like it, eh? What chip? 709? That's frustrating. Well, let's see if we can get up to 735. That's the next staircase for me. Okay, keep improving my price. 719. Let's go from 719 to 735 on a 3 lot. That's $6 times 15. It'll be a $90 trade. I'll be happy with that. Oh yeah. This pattern here that I'm seeing looks unfortunately looks bearish. Wow, look at gold go on a rip to 3,400. That's it. Long 3 almost took me out. That's it. Took me out. Take me out. There you go. Okay, so I think I started that trade cost me barely nothing, maybe 20 bucks or something. Yeah, gold's on a tear. And yeah, NQ took a loss over there. That's an excellent trade. Happy what I got in at 15. 13 points lower. That's funny. $10. I'm in at 15, that's right. So let me see if I can get 20 on this. 18, come on. 16, 17, 17. Let's go up to 20. Gotta get out. Oh well. It's not being kind. What's ES doing? ES fell to VWAP. NQ a little bit under VWAP. We don't have two consecutive closes. We don't have a full candle under VWAP. And we kind of just wicked the swing low there that was formed. So let's see. Volatility, 14-point range. Play the clip. Okay, so you get the fact that news comes out. A market takes off 200 points in one direction. TopStep freezes. Apex freezes. The market froze, and I'm going to play.
Cancel all orders! Cancel all orders!
There you go. That's when it's going to get played. I did that for you. Cancel all orders. That's wood chip inspired. Yeah, when the markets go nuts. Fast markets. Finally! Finally, I get a stamp of approval from wood chip. Yeah, it was. That's why I said wood chip showed me the video about it. And that's where I got it from. I got the idea from, the inspiration. So I gave back some profits, but no big deal. NQ, what can NQ do? Trying long again. This is for my last trade. Gold will potentially take a long, 1146. Yeah, it's before 1146, so gold might take a long here. Wow, you know what? I don't even have to play my music. I can just connect to Omnius and listen to his. It's actually playing louder than mine. I can save some computer resources. uh, it's exactly equal with your volume, with your voice volume. They're identically loud. If you lower it, I leave. Yeah, funny, eh? Sim 102 is long. Sim 102. Gold. Gold went long. Let's watch gold. Let's watch the gold bot. Butterstunts didn't mention what he was looking at for his new gold setup. I wanted to know what it was. Be right back. Which chip has to make caca. Let's go gold. You have a video? And then Q might go long. I'm not sure. No, I don't think so yet. Let me see. Let me just check. No, it won't go long. Oh, it's too bad. It would have been a nice trade there. Okay. I just turned off your volume because I said, how many times is he going to play it? Yeah, that's cool. I have a question for you. What? Okay, okay. What are you using to sequence the vocals with the text and have the red light go across? Is that a TikTok feature, or is that something you're doing in Canva or CapCut? What software are you using to make it? Just TikTok, yeah. And the voice also TikTok, CapCut, yeah. I want to add the caption. Okay. That's I have the exact opposite experience. I get the impression that YouTube doesn't want that kind. That they want um not they want informative videos, not just the entertaining eye candy style videos, you know? I don't know, that's what I heard anyways. Sim 102, gold's climbing back up. We'll watch it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try again. Like I said, I looked at the hits on my shorts and stuff, and they were very low. But yeah, I'll try them. I looked at the hits on your shorts. Yeah, they're pretty good. Wow, that's a short video. This is a 6-second video premiere on Omnius Trade's channel right now. Go faster, you miss it. Unless you place it 3 times, then you have 18 seconds. Okay, trade triggered at 28 long. This could be the last trade of the day, so let's have fun with it. Let's see if we can get in at a better price. 28. Right now we're above, so I'll be happier, I guess, with the same price. We're already 5 points up. Come on, take a quick dip down. Give me an opportunity. Almost hit take profit. Watch it. Open it comes back down. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm bopping my head to the beat. Yeah, yeah. Cool. Ah, shit. Gold lost. That's a bummer. Oh, shit. You're on YouTube. Yeah, you are. That's. Oh, no kidding. I thought you. Yeah, I was going to say, if you bring in TikTok. No kidding. Geniuses, huh? Mm. Oh! I may know why. Give me a second. I'll tell you why. Hold on. Gotta take a sip of coffee. What was the flag? Did it specifically say copyright? Because I'll tell you, I got flagged a couple of times on TikTok, and I thought it was for copyright violations. I just assumed it, and then I did more and more research. Ah, okay. Because my flags were for promotional content. It was mentioning my website and the name of my channel, and they wanted me to indicate that this video contains promotional content or something like that. And as soon as I did that, it got unflagged. So I thought maybe you were promoting maybe your code or something, you know? Yeah. Like if you create a video, hey, want to try something? Are you on a computer or you're, yeah, obviously, right? You're on your desktop or on your laptop? Can I do this? Hold on, let me see. Because the delay really sucks. You know, we keep like talking over each other because of that 8 second or 4 second delay. Yeah, take your time. I was gonna say, oh yeah, I'm here. No, no. Hold on. There I am. There I am without my mouth moving. Look, I can talk. I'm a ventriloquist. I'm a ventriloquist. I can talk without my mouth moving. How do I do that? Can anybody guess? Ah, Lord. I was going to say, hold on, I'm trying to fix something. There, does that put me on? Why is that not working? Yeah, okay. And it's above the fake vid. So this should be working. And let's go to properties. Really? Let's try it again. There's no Discord. That's weird. Okay, cancel. Let me try. Oh, I know why. Delete. Wow, someone's using stinky soap in the house. Um, yes. Really, I'm gonna have to do this every time. Copy, paste, duplicate. 5 minute, you said? That's weird. It's not working. Hold on, I'm trying to figure it out. Bear with me, but I'm still waiting for a trade. Gold took a loser. That kind of sucked. Boom, 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 boom. No, no, no. Boom, 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 boom. I'm checking the trades. That would have been a loser, 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 loser. Oh, okay. Anyways, um, let's create separate ones. think, guys, that I'm going to be very large. Oh, such an idiot. I didn't have the pop out. That's why it wasn't working. Nah, I didn't miss nothing. You missed me figuring out I'm an idiot. Delete. Right. I just set you up. You should have said, really? You just figured that out? We all knew that for a long time already. I set you up for that. Yeah, I'm trying to fix something. Copy, paste reference, paste duplicate. I'm trying to get my camera here. I was gonna say, come into the Discord on the audio, and that way I can turn off your the audio on your stream, and the audio will be live instead of with a delay. And you can kind of do the same thing also, but it won't be on my stream, and it won't be on your stream. I mean, I can bring it in, but at least I'll just hear you real time. Does this work? Still not working. Discord public. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's the public room. Yeah, we'll try it tomorrow. Boom, 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 boom. Bring this down. Private. Cam Discord private. I have 2 cam Discords. Yeah, I had a good day. I'm awesome. Rename. Yeah, I know how to do it. It's pretty simple. Discord. What makes it a little more difficult is if cam Discord public. Yeah, public. Yeah, because there should be there should be there should be in the it should be in the description. Sometimes it goes down, even though they say that it's a permanent link. It goes down sometimes. Let me know if I have to renew it. Oh, it's still working. Okay, there you go. So you just joined the public chat room. No, the public chat room. Okay. 2 hearts. I don't know what that is. Well, you're in the Futures Floor TV room right now, right? So you should have channels. You should have general, opening drive, daily recap. Oh, there you are. Okay, perfect. Yeah, just join voice. And now, whoa! Now I'm gonna go turn your Now I go turn your voice off your stream. Oh, wait a minute. Your cam just disappeared. Don't enable your camera on Discord. Yeah. Yeah, no, but I'm saying as far as I know, you can't have a camera on 2 platforms. So if by act a camera can only go to 1 platform. Yeah. Uh, um, Discord will probably tell you that it won't work because your camera is being used now by Prism. I think that's what you said that you have. Yeah, my camera's on both because I have a workaround. I'm actually using OBS to screen capture my camera from Discord. Yeah, so you can't fail start camera. Yeah, well, that's good. You don't need the camera. I just do it because that's how I bring my camera into OBS. But you don't need to bring your camera here. Just see your voice. So I can hear you. I can hear you live now, and you can hear me live. You turn my volume off the stream. And actually, I don't even need your stream anymore because I don't watch your charts. I don't know how Prism works. I can't tell you. What I'm doing with OBS, it's called window capture. And I capture the window and then I crop it. I take the piece that I need, which is a small piece. No, stop. It's on your screen. It's on your stream. It's on your, yeah, it's on your, not on your screen, on your stream. Fish in Florida. I'll be back tomorrow. Good job. Proud of you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Me too. I'm proud of myself. I'm really proud of myself. I followed my my process 100% today. Okay, doesn't matter. I'm up $50. The other two are sims. That's just algos. That's just bots being tested. But yeah, I'm proud of myself. So everyone give me a pat on the back. Because if I keep doing this, we're going to have some nice green numbers to show for it. So I took my time. I wasn't stressed to take trades. All was good. Thank you for the recognition, Fish and Slots. Florida, Mario. And I hope you had a good day too. And a good day means you followed your rules, not whether you were green or red. That's a pro tip. Amateurs focus on the profit and loss. Professional traders focus on executing the process. That's why I was so upset yesterday. Even though my numbers were balanced, I was overall green for the day if you netted them all out. But I was furious because of the way I broke my process. And today I missed a couple of winners, but that was because I was slowing it down and making sure I'm following my process, making sure that my prefrontal cortex was working and I wasn't running on emotion and impulsiveness. Yeah, I have the same damn question for you because you're screaming in my ear right now. Yeah, well, I just turned down the volume for the computer because it's computer volume also. So, okay, yeah. Three dots. Three dots where? Oh, yeah. Oh, wow, look at that. User volume. Okay, good. You live and learn. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, now that we got it working, I want to quit. You want to quit? I don't know if you want to quit, but I want to quit. I want to quit 11:09. I want to treat myself to an early quitting because I did good and I don't want to screw up. So, guys, thanks for showing up to the stream. Hit the like button. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow at 9:15. Omnia, stick on Discord for just like 30 seconds after you hang up. Or are you hanging up? Or are you closing down? Okay, guys. So thanks for showing up on the stream. I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe I'll be co-streaming tonight. I'm not sure, but certainly I'll be here tomorrow. With there's Woodchip doing it again as I'm quitting, telling me of a trade. You can always get Woodchip out of the weeds by saying we're leaving. I love it. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.